In our increasingly connected world, sending and receiving money across borders has become an everyday reality for millions. Whether you're a student studying abroad, a professional working with international clients, or simply someone who loves to travel, you've likely encountered the complexities and costs associated with traditional international money transfers. This is where services like Wise, formerly TransferWise, come into play, offering what often feels like a magic solution. But this convenience often raises a fundamental question. What type of account is Wise? Really? Is it a bank? Something else entirely? As a finance expert, my goal is to demystify Wise for you. We'll break down its true nature in simple, clear language, making sure it's easy to grasp for anyone, from those just starting their financial education to seasoned individuals seeking clarity. Not a bank, but built for global money. The most important thing to understand up front is this: Wise is not a traditional bank. This is a crucial distinction that helps clarify how it operates and what protections are in place for your funds. While it offers many services that feel very bank-like, such as holding money, sending payments, receiving payments, and even a debit card, Wise operates under different licenses and regulations. Instead of a full banking license, Wise is regulated as an e-money institution, EMI, and a money services business, MSB, in the various regions where it operates. What does this mean for you? Banks are typically authorized and regulated under strict banking laws, which often include government-backed deposit insurance schemes, like the FDIC in the United States or the FSCS in the United Kingdom. These schemes protect your deposits up to a certain amount if the bank itself were to fail. Banks also offer a broader range of financial products, such as loans, mortgages, and complex investment options. E-money institutions and money services businesses like Wise are regulated differently but still very rigorously. Their primary focus is on facilitating electronic payments and currency exchange. While they don't typically participate in national deposit insurance schemes, they are required to safeguard customer funds. This means your money is kept in separate accounts at established, reputable banks, entirely distinct from Wise's own operational funds. So, even if Wise were to face financial difficulties, your money would be kept separate and secure, not used for their business operations. This method of safeguarding is a critical protection for your funds. So, while Wise provides services that feel like banking, it's essentially a specialized financial technology company focused on making international money transfers and multi-currency management efficient and affordable. The Wise account, your multi-currency command center. At the heart of Wise's offering is its multi-currency account. Think of it as a digital wallet that can hold money in many different currencies simultaneously, all managed from a single, easy-to-use platform. This account is a game-changer for anyone dealing with international finances. Let's explore its key features and why they matter. Holding multiple currencies. This is the flagship benefit. You can open balances in over 40 different currencies, including major ones like US dollars, USD, British pounds, GBP, euros, euro, Canadian dollars, CAD, Australian dollars, AUD, and many others. This eliminates the need for separate bank accounts in different countries, simplifying your financial life significantly. For instance, if you earn in euros but spend in pounds, you can hold both currencies in your Wise account. Local account details. For many key currencies, Wise provides you with actual local bank account details. This means you can receive payments in those currencies as if you had a physical bank account in that country. For example, you can get a UK account number and sort code, a Euro IBAN, a US routing and account number, or an Australian BSB and account number. This is incredibly powerful for freelancers, receiving payments from international clients directly in their local currency, avoiding hefty international wire fees, expats, getting paid salaries or pensions from their home country without complex bank transfers, businesses, making it easier for international customers to pay them, international money transfers at the real rate. Wise revolutionized international money transfers by championing the mid-market exchange rate, the rate you see when you Google a currency pair. Unlike traditional banks that often add a hidden markup, their profit, to the exchange rate, Wise uses this fair rate and charges a small, upfront, and transparent fee. This approach can save you a significant amount of money on international transfers. The Wise debit card. This card is directly linked to your multi-currency account. You can use it to spend in over 150 countries. The genius of the Wise card is its intelligent currency conversion. If you have the local currency in your account, the card will use it directly with no conversion fee. If you don't have the local currency, it will automatically convert funds from one of your available balances, choosing the one with the lowest conversion cost, at the mid-market rate, with a low, transparent fee. This makes it an incredibly cost-effective option for travelers, allowing you to avoid unfavorable exchange rates and hidden fees often charged by traditional bank cards abroad. Business accounts. Wise also offers specialized business accounts designed to meet the needs of companies, from sole traders to larger enterprises. These accounts include features like batch payments, sending payments to multiple recipients at once, integrations, connecting with accounting software like QuickBooks and Xero, multi-user access, allowing team members to manage finances with controlled permissions, free invoicing tools. These features make Wise an attractive solution for any business with an international footprint. Unwavering transparency. One of Wise's core principles is transparency. Before you confirm any transaction, whether it's sending money or converting currencies, you'll see a clear breakdown of all fees and the exact exchange rate that will be applied. There are no hidden charges, which is a breath of fresh air compared to the often opaque fee structures of some traditional financial institutions. Ease of use. Wise operates primarily online and through its highly rated mobile app. The interface is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly, making it simple to manage your balances, send money, and track your transactions from anywhere in the world.